what should be the optional? Very, very tricky question. Now they want me to take the decision. कि आखिर कौन सा optional उन्हें लेना चाहिए? I can't tell you what ice cream you should eat. Should I be the one to tell you which optional you should take? Because what subject do you like? How can I tell you? First. Second, there are a lot of myths around optionals. Very important thing that goes around is this optional is more important for GS. If you take philosophy, it will be helpful in essay, ethics, society. If you take PSIR, it will be taking care of your paper 2 essay. Similarly, so sociology will be helpful for paper 1, 2, essay, ethics. And number, each optional will somehow or the other be helpful in any of the GS papers. It is okay, but that should not be the criteria for which you should take optional, because it is a separate 500 marks subject. Third, on what criteria should I judge taking an optional? Very simple. Number 1, the subject should interest you. Second, you should be able to read that subject in depth, because it will take time. Third, you should be ready to write answers, because there will be times when you will have to read, remember, learn the subject properly. Fourth, you should be able to write the kind of keywords, the kind of things that are required, the language of that particular subject. And fifth, the golden rule is that whatever optional you take, every optional is very interesting. Classes are very interesting in the starting. But as soon as you will try writing answers, your interest will dip, because that will demand hard work. And if you keep writing answers, keep revising, your confidence and your liking towards that optional will rise again. And this will go for all optionals, whatever optional you take. So don't become confused which optional to take, asking all the people, tell me which optional. Do simple exercise. Out of the list which UPSC has given, sort out some 4 or 5 optionals which you feel that these are the subjects I can study. And now on internet, on YouTube, there are demo lectures by all the different teachers. So go and watch some demo lectures with some neutral understanding, and don't get just influenced. But with the neutral stand, go and see the demo lecture of that particular optional. After that, go to PYQs. Just see, are you able to connect with the topics? Of course, you will not be able to answer because you haven't studied the subject itself. But do you feel connected? Do you feel interested in those questions? And once you feel like, yes, I can do it, you can talk to 1 or 2 people or maybe the teacher of that particular subject and make a call. Ultimately, it is okay if you take X optional or Y optional. It will depend on your hard work. So you just have to be best among the particular lot. So if you take PSIR, you have to be best among those taking PSIRs. If you have sociology, then you have to be best, that threshold amongst those. You are taking zoology. So there are even some lesser known optionals like Sindhi literature, Punjabi literature, Telugu literature, which may be very good, which may be having good selection rate also. So your choice of optional should be very, very objective and time bound. Do not take eternity and rounds of discussion to choose your optional. Give yourself a time of maybe 1 week. Do all this activity, watching demos, papers, this, that, talking to people, and after 1 week, decide, and whatever you decide, then you stick to it. Have faith, because having faith in your subject is more important. Grass is always greener on the other side. I have known many people, I have known many candidates who switched their optional every time, every year, just because someone else said that their optional was better, or they heard some topper, or they read some analysis. Students get selected from all optionals. Some selection rate is more, in the sense because more people are taking it, therefore more people are getting selected. But ultimately,